This is Mark from Phace Installations and welcome to another video. Jaguar F-Type in for Apple Carplay. Now we can fit Apple Carplay or Android Auto to these vehicles depending on what system you've got in there. This has got the Bosch system, so we'll show you what that looks like just so that you know in your Jag it can be done. So if we just hop in. Now, we're not going to be changing the stereo or the screen. We're just going to add Apple CarPlay to connect to the original system. So it's all going to still look factory fitted. You're just going to have extra functions. As you know, on the Jags, the sat-nav is extremely out of date. Fantastic cars, just lacking on the entertainment system. So this is what we call the Bosch system. This is the 8-inch screen. You can see the blue icons, so that would tell you that it's the Bosch system. I do love the way the vents pop up on this. Anyway, so as I said, you've got navigation on here, you've got hands-free, etc., etc., but it's just a bit boring, a little bit out of date. So we're going to give it all modern functions now. This customer is an Apple customer, so wanted Apple CarPlay, and it's going to be wireless Apple CarPlay or wired, so it's your choice how you connect your phone. Anyway, let's get this installed and show you what we've done after the break. Okay, welcome back. Let's show you around, show you how the system works, and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, nothing's changed. Still got the original screen, the original stereo. We've just added extra functions to it. So if we start the vehicle up, and there you go, there's the original display. Now if you press the nav button, look what you get. Apple CarPlay. No point having the original nav, so the nav button will take over that now. And then if you press the home menu button in the top left hand corner, it'll come out of Apple CarPlay to go back to the original Jag system. So you're not losing the original Jag system. If you want to use that, you still can. But in my opinion, you're never really going to come out of, or shouldn't really ever come out of Apple CarPlay now, because it'll do everything you need it to do. Play all your music. If you download Radio Play, you can have all the latest radio stations, DAB stations, all on this screen. Sat nav, Apple CarPlay gives you all up-to-date mapping, so Google Maps, Apple Maps, or if you download Waze. So that's the button that you need to press if you want to go into CarPlay, and press the home menu if you want to come out of CarPlay. Must always have auxiliary selected, as you can see at the top there in the audio video section. It says auxiliary, so as long as you've got that selected, you'll have audio from Apple CarPlay. Now we connect the sound for Apple CarPlay. A bit difficult to see because it's a bit dark. But in there on the left hand side, you see the little music symbol. That's the auxiliary socket. So we've connected into that, and then we've added a USB socket just there as well. Now, if you're in a phone call, we've put the microphone just there. So you get your new microphone there for hands-free and for Siri. And as you can see, my wife decided to ring me while I'm trying to do this video. So you can see on the screen there, somebody's calling you, okay? So we've come back out of that, back into Apple CarPlay, and you can play all your favourite music as well. So if you've got Spotify or Apple Music, whatever music app, as long as it's compatible with Apple CarPlay, will be on that screen. Now this is the radio player app, so you can have all your favourite radio stations stored on here. These are mine, and you can just click it and away it will go, and it will play those radio stations. So you haven't got to come out of Apple CarPlay to go back to the original Jag system to play the radio. If you've got a reverse camera, it will still keep the reverse camera if you've got one on the back, and it will switch out of CarPlay, show you the reverse camera, then go back into CarPlay. And that is it. If you want to book your vehicle in, give us a call, 01626 242 555. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.